Morning everybody, and welcome to Lost in the Smokies. And we are out here at really probably not a very well-known spot. It's called Lake Adger, and it is a private lake. All the land around it's private. We have access to the private dock, but there's also a public access to this lake, and this is going to be more of a fishing trip.
The cool thing about this lake is this is one of the only lakes that they stock with muskie every November.
And the North Carolina State record, like 38-pound muskie, was caught a few years back out of this lake. So we are going to get out here and see what we can catch, and this time I'm catching more fish than her.
Oh, here comes some.
We'll see. And of course we've got some jerks out here on motorboats throwing full wake next to the marina, which is really not cool, but it is what it is. You can't fix stupid, I guess. All right, well, I'm gonna try to get in the kayak without dying, and we're gonna go fish. Kayaks? Yeah. Yours is probably more stable because it's wider, yeah. But mine will track better because yours has two fins on the back. Mine has one single fin, and it's narrower, so it'll make it track better, but yours is more stable.
Yeah, I've never took it.
We're not getting...
Last time I went up here to the left and around. Up here there's a waterfall on the side, not too far up, and that way there's grassy areas and finger lake, so we should probably just go up that way again.
Okay. Well, you're really slow, so I'll let you get a head start.
shade right here is like a super cozy spot. Oh, it's cold though.
Oh, I'm sure it's cold.
It's real cold. Woo! Chilly!
Take your time. I'm just trying to get my.
It's too chilly for me right now. I gotta wait till I'm hot later. It'll be cozy spot this time.
All right, we'll go with the. Start with the night crawler before we hook up anything else. See what happens. You already lost. Oh shoot, I didn't know you went that way. Well, I'll pull all low now because I tried to keep from crossing you. Ah. Miss Corey got a nice sunfish, and we're gonna go over here and help her.
Oh!
He's like, I'm leaving. Thanks. You got those forces.
They're buried in my bag somewhere.
There we go, Sam. All right. Oh, that's not too bad. He's a good one too.
Yeah, he's good. Oh wow. Oh. Is it in there?
Ouch. Listen, dude, that hurt. I'm trying to help you out here. There we go. And he will be just fine. All right. There he goes. Damn it. Huh?
It'd be kind of nice to have a hot dog on the lake with some
One day. This is an island right here.
Is it?
Mm-hmm. That's what I'm saying. When we start going left or right here, we're gonna come around, go around where it splits. Yeah, but this is an island. I don't think anybody lives on it. I bet you there are mosquitoes at the ass in there.
Oh, this water feels so good.
No. Now, according to the map, all right, so we are at the north end of Lake Adger, and the bridge right up there, you can just barely see, is where the Green River flows in and feeds Lake Adger. We came up this, this is like a kind of an island, well, part of the lake, but there's an island here. We came up the west side. We're going to attempt to get down the east side here and go around the other side. As you can see, it looks smaller, and there's some stuff in the way, so who knows, but what's a good adventure without getting lost a little bit? Let's see what happens. This is dedication. Corey will probably be okay, but my fat butt might ground out. And I haven't seen anybody go down this way, so that could be a good thing or a bad thing. One, it means that there are fish. Nobody else is catching them. Or two, it means that there are no fish. And I'm... Okay, Aaron has made it back in his kayak somehow. So far, so good. This is rather pleasant. Nice and cool back here.
Yeah.
You can go really fast because you can push into the sand. It gets bigger. It gets bigger up here, according to the map. What?
Oh, I'm stuck. I'm getting stuck. This is fucking hilarious. We can literally get out and walk.
Oh, we could. But this is kind of fun.
Yeah, it was really cool.
Ah! Watch out! Passing. On the left. Oh! Oh no! Oh no! No fair. I'm too fat for this. Now what? No! All right, enough of this. This looks more promising. Huh?
There's a drain pipe right there. I thought it was another little waterfall.
Well, it is from a little creek. Work at her go.
Let's see.
Whose idea was this anyway?
You what?
Whose idea was this anyway?
Yours? Now we have to go all the way back.
It really does look like it gets bigger on the terrain map. Would you like some muscadines? Probably not ripe yet.
Your cold's gonna catch the tree.
Look. Come back here and pick some grapes when they get warm.
Oh, muscadine?
Mm-hmm. I like to make wine out of that stuff. Ooh, bait fish. Oh, I'm chasing them. There's actually like
What?
little fish in here. Oh, here we go. Look at this. Well, oh no. This is pretty deep. Hmm?
How far do we have to go around this to get back out to the lake?
Not that much further.
Oh, okay.
Lots of muscadines. Hmm? These are all... Well, yeah, that's a sycamore. What do you want to do, babe? I haven't even seen one of these things.
What is the same spot?
I can't figure out how they're getting in your kayak.
The guys are coming in this one hole in the side.
Oh. I'm trying to figure out what we can do about it. I know. I'm wondering what it is. It's got to be like maybe a beaver or a. Yeah. There are tons of bait fish in here. I'm just kind of enjoying the kayak ride though. Because there is a little bit of a current, so you don't really have to paddle. Aha! I knew I saw this on the map. There's like a mini lake in the middle of this.
You know where we are?
Mm-hmm. This is all like a mini lake, like marsh that goes back in here. We're right now back to the lake's right here. Mm-hmm. We did make it. I told you we would. You doubted me. What, right on the other side of this, like 50 feet away is where that herring was. As soon as we're around the corner, you'll know exactly where we are. All we did was go up this, just around this little island thing.
Did we come out the opposite way? Where'd we go in at?
Right there's where that herring was eating. Right there's where we went up. Well, actually, we went up right on the other side of these trees. Sorry. What you doing, Doc? We do. I'm just following the duck. How'd you get stuck in the mud? I've not been stuck in the mud yet. I'm about to be. I'm following the duck. The duck is showing me the way out. See, when in doubt, just follow the duck. When in doubt, just follow the duck. All right, so we made it back to the little waterfall, and we got some nice little rock shelf. We brought a picnic, and now we are going to eat. And Corey might fall and die. I don't know. Where's your bug bite? Like, I don't know, like I said, some kind of ant has been getting into her kayak from the water.
Eating me.
And just like welts. Yeah. At least they're not biting me.
Well, we are on the way home and we decided to take the scenic route through Chimney Rock and Lake Lure. So I'm going to show you a little bit more of that. Over here you can see Lake Lure with the beach for swimming, and it is packed today. I smell barbecue, I hear music, and that is a lot of people. Flower Bridge is over here somewhere. Maybe a little bit farther up. You can see where the This right here is the flowering bridge. Kind of hard to see from over here, but there we go. Everything's in full bloom right now.
you can see, it is very crowded here, as always. Looks like they got the little fair up and running again. This used to be closed down for years.